everyone, welcome to another episode of the Power Oil Healthy Recipe Series, where I show you how to make lots of healthy and mouth-watering recipes using the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. It's always advisable to stay away from unbranded oils because they are packed loaded with cholesterol and trans fat, which clogs the arteries and makes it really difficult for your heart to pump blood. The Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil is a healthy cooking oil that is fortified with vitamin A and E. It has low cholesterol and no trans fat, and it takes really good care of the heart. With Power Oil as my cooking companion today, I'm going to show you how to make plantain MoiMoi, a very popular delicacy that is made with ripe plantains, lots of vegetables, and aromatic spices. So grab your notepad and your pen, relax, and get ready to learn how this yummy delicacy is made. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need some unripe plantains and some plantain flour, peppers and onions, some MoiMoi leaves, palm oil, seasoning cubes, crayfish, some salt to taste, and of course, the Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil. To begin the cooking process, the first thing I'm going to do is grab my plantains and add them into the blender. So a lot of you enjoy eating plantains, but do you know the health benefits contained in this power food? I'll tell you. So plantains are a rich source of complex carbs, and complex carbs are very high in fiber. And meals that are high in fiber tend to keep you fuller for much longer, which makes them the perfect option for weight management. So the amount of vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin K contained in plantains makes them the perfect addition to any healthy delicacy. I'm also adding the tatashe, onions, atarodo, and garlic to the blender along with some crayfish, ground pepper, seasoning cube, and some water. Then I blitz on medium speed until the very smooth puree is formed. To help balance out the sweet taste of the ripe plantains, I'll mix up some plantain flour with some water until a very smooth paste is formed. Then I'll pour the paste into the blender and blend again to combine everything together. The plantain flour would act as a binder, so it's a must-add to this recipe. Afterwards, pour the mixture into a bowl. Look at how smooth and beautiful it is, guys. Add some Power Oil Pure Vegetable Oil along with the palm oil, and then some salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix until it's very well combined. Before wrapping up the plantain batter in the leaves, prepare the steam bath for it. Simply add very little quantity of water to a pot along with the leaf stalks that would act as a base for the wraps. Then cover the pot and bring the water to a light simmer. For the wraps, I'm using the very popular local MoiMoi leaves. Mine is already thoroughly washed. Take 2 leaves and place one in front of the other. Then fold sideways until a cone is formed. Fold up the end part to prevent any leakage. Then grab a spoonful of batter and place into the leaves. Ensure you do not overfill the leaves, okay? To close, push the middle part in, then the 2 sides, and then push backwards. Place in the steam bath and continue wrapping the rest of the batter. Cover the pot and leave to steam for 20 to 25 minutes on medium to low heat until the plantain MoiMoi is firmed up. Meanwhile, to make the custard, place the custard powder in a bowl and add some room temperature water. Mix till the powder is completely dissolved in the water. Then pour in some boiling water until the mixture has solidified. Mix to combine again and add in more hot water until you have reached your desired consistency. You can sweeten this with any sweetener of choice, honey, sugar, anything that works fine for you. When the plantain MoiMoi is done, take the wraps out of the pots, place them on a plate and allow to cool down completely before unwrapping. After cooling, unwrap the plantain MoiMoi and serve alongside the custard. Time for the taste test, guys! Ooh, this smells amazing and it actually looks really nice as well. One more taste. One thing I like about this plantain MoiMoi is the fact that The sweetness of the plantain is balanced out by the addition of all the other spices like the pepper, the crayfish, and the plantain flour. So it helps balance out the sweetness, and it's not too sweet, it's just perfect. And then the texture is just right, and it tastes absolutely amazing. With the recipe I just shared with you today, you're sure to make fail-proof plantain moi all the time. Okay? Now, 1 serving of this recipe is 1 wrap of plantain moi and 2 cups of cooked custard. And with this, you are sure that you are loading up on all of the necessary carbohydrate that you need to provide all of the energy that you require to go through the day. And remember to use the Power Oil pure vegetable oil, because it's the healthy cooking oil that has no trans fat and no cholesterol whatsoever. Remember that you need to treat your heart right, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you next time with another mouth-watering and healthy recipe. Until then, stay safe. Take care.